Have you ever seen a mountain explode? Boom! Smoke, fire, and hot lava shoot into the sky. But wait, mountains don't usually do that, right? Let's find out what makes a volcano erupt. A volcano looks like a big mountain, but it's actually a kind of door to Earth's inside. Deep below us, the Earth isn't solid all the way through. There's a layer of melted rock, super hot, gooey, and glowing, called magma. Imagine Earth like a boiled egg. The shell is the crust, the white part is the mantle, and the yolk is the core. Volcanoes form when magma from the hot mantle tries to escape through cracks in the crust. Inside the volcano, magma sits in a magma chamber, like a giant bubbling soup pot. As gases and heat build up, the pressure gets higher and higher until the mountain can't hold it anymore. When pressure becomes too much, boom! The volcano erupts. Hot magma rushes up through a long tunnel called the vent and bursts out of the top. Once magma comes out, it's called lava. During an eruption, lava flows down the mountain and ash and rocks fly into the sky. Some volcanoes explode with loud bangs, while others just let lava slowly ooze out. Each eruption shapes the land in new ways. When the eruption ends, lava cools and hardens into new rock. Over time, plants grow back and animals return. Some of Earth's most beautiful islands, like Hawaii, were made by volcanoes. Not all volcanoes are scary. Some are sleeping. We call them dormant. And some are dead, extinct. Scientists study volcanoes to predict eruptions and keep people safe. So, how do volcanoes erupt? When magma, gas, and pressure deep inside the Earth burst through the crust, that's a volcanic eruption. It's Earth's way of creating, shaping, and renewing itself. Amazing, right? Stay curious, kids! Thanks for learning with Curiously Kids. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more magical lessons. Bye-bye!